Hello, hello, my favorite kindergartners. It is Mrs. Shivani from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. I am here today for lesson 34 of Module 1 in math, and today we're going to be counting down. So we got really good at counting up the math way. 1 more is 2, 2 more is 3. Today we're going to take that and flip it, and we're going to count down from 10 to 1. Alrighty? Okay, so we'll start off with our fluency warm-up, a quick one today. We'll do our application problem, we'll do a concept development story, you'll do your exit ticket, we'll talk about what we learned, and that's a wrap for math. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start off with our fluency game of red light, green light. But we'll start, we kind of could do like green light, red light, right? But instead of counting up, we're gonna count down. So this dot shows us what number we start at counting, and this dot shows us what number we stop counting at. So we're gonna start at 10, stop at 0, count down. Ready? 10, 9, 8, count with me, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, ready? Let's do another one. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Good. I wasn't sure if you were going to get that one because I didn't say start at 8, stop at 3, did I? I'm not sure. I don't remember. But nice. It's kind of tricky counting backwards. I really have to think about it. Okay, let's do the next one. Start at 5, stop at 1, counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work. Okay, now let's get to our application problem. Look at these two plates. On the first plate, let's draw some grapes. Okay, I want to draw, I'm trying to get out my shape pen here to draw a perfect circle for you guys. Okay, let's draw some shapes. 1, 2, we're drawing grapes, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that one looks a little silly, but that's okay. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 8. Now, on this plate, draw one less. Okay, what's one less than 8? If I'm counting down, 8, 7 would be one less. So let's draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. 8, 1 less is 7. Now look at these two cups. In the first cup, let's draw 6 straws. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that's a silly straw. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm not going to count this half circle here as a straw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now in the next cup, let's draw one less. So 6. One less. What number comes right before 6? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. One less is 5. Good work. Okay, now let me tell you a story about a farmer. What do you see below? A farmer and some apple trees. Yes, listen to my story. Once upon a time, there was a farmer, and he had a big apple orchard. It was harvest time. That means it was time to pick the apples. And the farmer picked his first apple of the season. How many apples does he have left? Okay, he picked one. Now he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So he had 10, he picked one, and now he has 9. The next day, he picked another apple. How many are on the tree now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see how many apples are left each day after he picks one. Okay, so he had 8, he picked another one. Now he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next day he picked 1. Now he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next day he picked 1. Now he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next day he picked 1, and then he had 1, 2, 3, 4. The next day he picked 1, and then he had 3. 1, 2, 3. The next day he picked 1, then he had 2. 1, 2. The next day he picked 1, then he just had 1. And the next day he picked 1, and he had 0. Okay, let's do our play one more time. And this time we'll just tell the story with numbers. So say it with me. We'll count 10, 1 less is 9. 9, 1 less is 8, just like we counted them one math way when we were counting 1 more. Now we'll count the same way, but 1 less. Ready? So we're starting off with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Count with me. 10, 1 less is 9. 9, 1 less is 8. 8, 1 less is 7. 7, 1 less is 6. 6, 1 less is 5. 5, 1 less is 4. 4, 1 less is 3. 3, 1 less is 2. 2, 1 less is 1. And then what happens if he picks the last apple? He has 0 left. Okay, now let's play a game. I'm going to put some apples up on the tree. Count them, and then tell me what number 1 less would be. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 less would be 6, and I'll write it. Okay, ready? We'll do 2 of these. There's 4. What's 1 less? Yes, 3. Good work. Okay, let's do 2 more. There's 8 up there. What would 1 less be? Yes, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay, last one. There's 5 up there. What's 1 less? You got it. 4. All right, let me show you what your problem set for the day is going to be. All right, not that one. That was last lesson's. Topic H, lesson 34. So count the pairs. Cross 1 out. How many are left? Count the triangles. Cross 1 out. How many are left? Just 2 questions for the day. That is it. All right, kiddos, good job counting with me the 1 less way. That was fun. Tomorrow we'll do one last lesson where we're counting the 1 less way, and we'll order numbers from 10 to 1. All right, guys, thank you for your awesome work today. I will see you next lesson. Adios.